the showing party is handicapped. But Madam Learned Counsel for the complaint submits, or they have collected the amount. We produce the acknowledgement next week. The complaint shall produce the acknowledgement having submitted. The same before the Parliament. Yes. Navraj.
Yes, Navraj.
Yes. Kodappa. Yes, sir. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೇ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಹೌದಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ reserve in liberty to you to file a fresh contempt petition after disposal of the appeal. The complainant filed the present contempt petition. Take action against the accused persons on 2011-12 Contempt Court Act for willful disobedience of the order passed by the single judge dated 14/9/2021. Made in WP 16031/2021, wherein the learned single judge, while allowing the petition, directed the fourth respondent sub-registrar to process the matter without insisting on the production of 11E sketch. The legal counsel for the accused, not government advocate, for the accused filed the memo along with the stay order passed with the coordinate bench of this court in the writ appeal 57/2022. After hearing both the parties,
One minute.
to the coordinate bench of this court in the writ appeal 57/2022 stayed the further proceedings by the order dated 27 January 2022. Stop. The said the memo allowing the interim order passed by the coordinate bench is placed on record. In of the above, we pass the following order. The contempt proceedings here by draft. However, we always reserving liberty to the complainant to file a fresh contempt petition after disposal of the writ appeal 57/2022 pending adjudication between the parties and in accordance with law. Yes.
Live stream ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Number 17.
In 17, I appear for accused number 2 and 3. They have complied with the order. I filed my statement along with the documents.
My lord, the direction issued is at page number 14, my lord. Order was passed on 9/8/2021.
They say they have complied.
No, my lord, they have not complied as per the direction.
What is the direction?
Page number
1 month delay in compliance
1 minute,
with the order of the honorable court.
What is the direction?
Submission.
Direction, page number 14. The entire process to be completed within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of copy of this order. This copy
Ah.
of the order was made on 26/8. They
20
have allowed my neighbor to
26.
8/2021.
Ah,
And they have allowed my neighbor to go to civil court, obtain stay order. Till then, they have waited.
no,
Now
what
they
is
say
the order?
order is my
Order
lord,
is to take, order is to take action against illegal construction.
illegal.
By then, BBMP Act had come into force, replacing the KMC Act. I have given explanation for, there is some delay. I have given explanation for the delay in para number 7 and 11 of my statement of
When
objection.
did you comply the order, sir?
No, my lord, they say there is a stay, therefore we cannot comply the order.
When did the complaint?
No, they have not complied. They say because of stay, they could not take any action.
Where that?
We have complied with this order. Now, please see, it says it has to be taken to its logical end. We passed final order, confirmatory order on 21/9/2021.
21.
I'm sorry, 26/10/2021.
Where that?
Page number 12 of my statement of objection. This is an order under section 356 to demolish the building. Confirmatory order was passed on 4/10/2021, much earlier. That is at page number 10.
21/9. This is 21/9.
21/9 is an order under section 356 to demolish the building.
Which annexure you are reading, sir? Where are stated in the affidavit? Which annexure you are reading?
Paragraph number 7. It is submitted that on 6/11/2021, the zonal commissioner, the accused number 2, passed an order amending her earlier order delegating the power to additional town planning. Under the order dated 6/11/2021, the powers have been delegated to the assistant executive engineer BBMP. This fact, however, is nothing to do with the present case. It has been ever only to bring notice honorable court. Then para 11. It is submitted that Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagarpalika Act 2020 had come into force with effect from 11/1/2021. The authority thereunder to take action against illegal construction is Zonal Commissioner of BBMP. On 9/8/2021, the Zonal Commissioner for the first time delegated the authority under section 248 to Assistant Director Town Planning, which was as narrated in para 7.
Counsel, please don't read all the things. What is the direction? What is the complaint? Just read. That's all. Don't go on reading.
Direction is to take action against illegal construction within 4 weeks from the date of the order. Date of the order is
4 weeks when expires.
it
Not from the
expires
date of the order, from the date of receipt of the order.
date of the receipt of the order.
When did you receive the copy?
Order, date of the receipt of the order is not known.
He says 26/8.
26/8, I have given it. Page number
When did you
17.
pass the order?
Order came to be passed on 4/10
Where is that?
at page number 10. Sthirikana Adesha.
Yes, Mr. Sridhar, we want challenge this.
They have allowed a neighbor to get a stay order.
So challenge, Sridhar.
Yes, my lord. No, I am not challenging. It is in my favor. But they say, I need not challenge it, my lord. It is said that but they could not take further action.
Oh, they have
And they
taken
are not-
action now. Complete the order. 10 days later. All right.
There is a delay one part, my lord, and they have
No
allowed the
delay,
other
10
party,
days, not delay.
but they have allowed the other party to get a stay
That is
order
your
from the civil
allegation.
court. And yes, ma'am. And They have not entered appearance, placed ex parte. They are supporting the neighbor.
Sir, you can so go do whatever you want civil court. We can't monitor entire world.
In an injunction suit, I cannot enter appearance. That is
What to do? The complaint filed, the present contempt petition against the accused persons to take action on the provisions of 11-12 Contempt Court Act for willful disobedience of the order dated 9/8/2021 made in WP 8854/2021, wherein the learned single judge, when disposing of the petition, directed the BBMP to take the recommendation dated 14/6/2021 issued by the Assistant Executive Engineer to its logical end at the hands of Zonal Commissioner of BBMP. Further action in terms of Section 356 of the Act, after serving all copies upon the response 1 to 4 and granting an opportunity to the party, within 4 weeks from the date of the copy of the receipt of the copy of the order. According to learned counsel, for the complaint, copy of the given to the accused persons on 26/8/2021. Thereby, they delayed proceedings. Therefore, sought to allow the contempt proceedings. For contrast, Sri Arvind M. Nilgur, learned counsel for the accused, filed objections. This should not be objection statement, Mr. Nilgur. Should say
Compliance report. It is compliance report.
Next time you don't use the
Okay.
objections.
It is wrongly worded.
Compliance affidavit specifically stated that after receipt of the order passed by this court, they have disposed of, they passed the order on 4/10/2021. Delay about 10 days. Explained. Thereby, order has been complied. The affidavit, in of the above affidavit filed, compliance affidavit filed by the accused, we pass the following order. Contempt proceedings hereby dropped.
Very well.
Shiv Prakash. Now taking steps in respect of A1, who is A1? Who is A1? Are A1, no? ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆಮ್ಮ. Yes. Yes, yes. Where is the second respondent? How can he permit, sir? When an order is passed by this court, he is above the learned single judge. Then we'll send him jail. Enta mistake, sir. Son makla. He is not a kid. Mistake madake. And Kiran Kumar says, he has expressed heroism. Swami, caste ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. I was under impression. You ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Now what happened on that day?
We not permitted them to go to the election.
Huh?
Election hold ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜನರಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Huh? Election over. Yes.
Directed reputation, the specific direction, the not to conduct general body meeting of the first on society scheduled on 7/11.
Correct, sir. Now the order passed with this court on 24. No, 23/4/2021. Subsequently, he made all these things permitted. You know. So what is the now contempt? Willing shot contempt against this man. Where is that? Words all memo ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಭಯನ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Words all memo ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಗು. ಸುಪ್ರಕಾಶ್. Yes, sir. Frame the charge against him. What investigation, sir? Prima facie, we found he has permitted by 12/10. Where that? Where that? 2/11. ನೀವು ಮೆಮೋ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್? ನಾನು ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Your officers, they don't care for court orders. They want to play with the court. Let them play. This is 12/10, sir. ಅದು ಮುಗಿದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್.
As an interim relief is paid to stay at the general body meeting of the first respondent committee 2007. As per notification, I can repeat number 7 of February. Now in letter number 211, the objection of other
12/10 you ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. See, 29th October 2011 is the order. After the order, 12/10 you are given. Before the order. Now nothing is happened. Yes, Mr. Suprakash. 29th, the order passed Leonard single judge. 29th 10/2021. Before that, 12/10/2021 permission granted. Subsequent now is stayed 2/11/2021. Now the election is 7/11. Nothing is there. Who appears for the accused number 1? Accused number 1. ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅವರೇ ಇದಾರೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್? Your officer is here, but accused not here. He says election not conduct. He says already done.
And last, I will tell this officer the person is serving government. I will give the law.
Tomorrow.
No.
This is unfortunate, sir. Why you are wasting public time, sir? Yes, glad our fire, bro.
Yes.
And what is his qualification? Yes, ಕೇಳಾರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ತಿರ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಆಚೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಸಿ ಈ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸರ್. Mama, in pursuance of the order of this court dated 11/2/2022, the accused present before this court on instructions from accused number 2, Sri Srinidhi Learned Counsel for the Learned Government Advocate submits that though permission was granted by second respondent to conduct the elections on 12/10/2021, even prior to the interim order granted by this court dated 29th October 2021, after coming to know the order passed by this court, he stopped the elections on 2 by the letter dated addressed to the accused number 1 by the letter dated 2/11/2021. The election scheduled to be held on 7/11/2021. Thereby elections not proceeded. Sri Shivaprakash has disputed the fact and the election is already over. To stop. Very conveniently, the accused number 1 is not present before this court. So the track record, report on the really track record. Not present. And the superintendent of Mandya not produced the not filed the report of service of notice. The accused number 2 is requested to ensure service to the accused number 1 by tomorrow to know the veracity of the accused number 2 stated before this court. Call tomorrow. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್? Mr. Kantraju, your name is very good. Act is not good. Don't repeat, sir. We will not tolerate, sir. We respect your designation, everything. We respect only good things to the society and not bad to the court.
Lords, I beg to appear for the complainant counsel in this matter. As per the proceedings which took place on 11th February.
Yes, 83F.
Yes, my lords, the BDA counsel did make a submission that he will file a proof of service in respect of the DD, which remained unencashed for 4 years. My friend for the BDA.
ಕೊಡಿ ನೀವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರಲ್ಲ.
My lords, if that has happened, my colleague is present and the memo of withdrawal is ready.
Mr.
Yes, my lords, I have, that's why I'm toning down my submissions. If it has happened.
Should have raised your tone.
No, I'm toning down. As per the proceedings which took place on 11th February.
See, along with the letter DD,
yes,
they are sent back to your client and your client refused to receive and you made allegations against the BDA.
My lords,
now they are able to track the check in the post office.
Yes, my lords.
And the other day said, Kanika irbek swami ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟವರಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Page number 48 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 48 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು page number 48 of the contempt petition, because we have not come as an afterthought or anything. That's the tenor of my submission.
All right.
Page number 48. As per the statement of the learned counsel appearing for the accused recorded on 1st February 2021, the said remand draft shall be returned to the complainant today. My lord, we are 1 year.
Sir, what do you want? You want to argue on merits?
No, I will not argue.
Will not,
I will not argue, my lord. I will my colleague there will place on record the memo for the kind.
Let him place. Otherwise, you are intent to impose cost.
No, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. My colleague will be handing over.
We believe Shankarnarayan Senior Counsel statement that Lakshmi, yes, 78 days should be honest. But now the things come forward. Your client is dishonest. She can't play with the court after the age of 78 years. And all BDA.
My colleague is handing over the memo for withdrawal.
Sorry. Don't support senior counsel, this type of litigants.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ
ನಾವು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ. Don't waste public time. Your client is cheated.
I leave it to my lords.
Don't cheat to the court as well as the BDA.
I leave it to my lords.
In pursuance of the order passed by this court, dated 11/2/2022, and orally directed the counsel for the BDA to get back the DD of 4 lakhs. Sri Sachin, learned counsel for BDA, promptly brought the check along with the speed post sent to her.
DDA.
Along with the DD sent to her, where the accused, the complainant herself refused to receive the letter along with the DD on 1/3/2021. Thereby, the entire case by the complainant is falsified. At this stage, Sri Shankarnarayan will give to him the letter along with the DD is handed over to the counsel for the complaint. In the same, Sri Shankarnarayan, learned senior counsel, appearing for the complaint, filed the withdrawal memo dated 14/2/2022, duly signed by the complainant. Memo placed on record. In the above pass the following order. The contempt proceedings hereby dropped. We are hereby warned the complainant not to repeat such mistakes in future at this age of 78 years.
I am greatly obliged, my lords. My apologies. I was making submissions based on the record, my lords.
Received letter with 4 lakh DD check.
Some liberty, my lords, would consider, because
What liberty, sir?
ಆ ಡಿಡಿ ಒಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು. ಡಿಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ನೀವು ಹೋಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬಿಡ ಇವಾಗ. 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಡಿಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಡಿಡಿ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಅದು ಅವರು ಇನ್ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes.
My lord, I appear for the complainant in serial number 20, my lord.
Accused number 3 served unrepresented. Kiran Kumar, learned government leader, and test power for all the accused persons. This is the time back of 2 weeks time is to apply, to file complaints separate. Yes. So and so learner counsel for the submits Lower council submits. Ravi Shankar submits has already filed power for the accused 1 and 2. Mele. Respondent 1 and 2 served unrepresented. Ravi Shankar submits already filed power for the accused number 1. Say so and so submits already filed workout for the accused number 2. Yes. Yes, Jaina. What is this? Yes, Jaina, what is the violation? Reinstated. Reinstated.
Page number 6, the order after the Honorable Supreme Court will produce from my last time. There is a engineering order. In 5 stages.
Yes, Mr. State, the Honorable Supreme Court will close the matter. Oh, always. Complaint filed the present contempt, civil contempt proceedings. Take action against the accused. The cause of 12 contempt of act for willful disobedience of the order passed by a single judge. Willful disobedience of the order passed coordination of this court dated 16th. ಏನ್ ರೀ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಜಯಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡೇಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ 5567 2021 1st April 2021 wherein the co-judge bench of this court directed the respondent to reinstate the employee forthwith, and the employee shall not be entitled back wages, and also shall be entitled for notional fixation of salary. Compliance to be within 90 days from the date of this copy of the order. Sri Nargum, 14 days, paying for the accused. Submit that against the order passed by the court bench of this court, dated Supra, special leave to appeal within bracket civil 17/2/2021 filed under the Honorable Supreme Court, Apex Court, by the order dated 3/1/2022, state order for the coordinate bench, state the operation of the order for the coordinate bench. The same is placed on record. In the above, we pass the following order. Contempt proceeding hereby dropped. So needless to observe, it is always open for the complainant to file a press contempt petition after disposal of special leave to appeal 17/2/2024 of 2021, pending adjudication before the Honorable Supreme Court between the parties.
In this case,
Yes.
has ordered notice to the respondent and the next day 16/3/2022.
Right, matter may kindly be deferred for some more time, whatever the order.
We defer only 16.3. Next time we don't know.
After 16th, yes. After 16th, some date. But by that time, either we have to follow or I don't know.
We'll call on 18th March. What is matter? The Almari. Say, Kargun Learned ASG submits an instruction submits that against the order passed by the coordinates of this court, a special leave appeal already filed in diary number 24/8/37/2021, and matter is fixed on 16/3/2022. Submission placed on record. Any of the above post is matter on.
Notice has been ordered.
A matter is pending. Single said submission. Post this matter on 24. Yes. Kumar. Yes, what is it? Say that. Then. Right. What is the order now? The respondent directed to court to return the earnest money deposit, 11 lakhs to the petitioner. Sorry. This was for deeper Nagar Madhapuri. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋರಾಗಿದ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ yes, Pradeep.
And for complainant in this case, your lordship, the accused has paid the amount, the entire due amount. Now nothing is survived for consideration under this contempt petition.
So non-bail warrant accused through judicial police produced with court on 14 to where is the
My lord, the accused, we have paid the amount in 2 installments as per the DD, and the receipts are the same.
the complaint filed to present contempt petition to take action against the accused would not prove for the against the accused under the powers of section 11-12 Contempt Court Act for willful disobedience of the order dated 3/2/2021 made in WP 24/8/2018 passed by the learned single judge, wherein the learned single judge directed the petitioner pay a sum of 80,000 for the fourth aspirant trust full and final settlement of the school fee within a period of 8 weeks. Since the order of legislation has not been complied, the present contempt petition can to be filed. Sri says 14 person accused present through online and submits the remaining balance amount has been paid. The Pradeep Learned Council for Complaint also fairly submits that the order of learned has been complied. That is the survived present. submission చేస్తాను. Any of the above pass the following order. Under proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Jonathan. Yes. First of all, I took 2 weeks, so I actually any day. If it moves, sir, we can't go on posting, sir. Finally, 2 weeks. So pursue appeal pending before the court and bench. Yes. What is? Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Yes, Mr. Shivprakash. Don't worry. Don't worry. Why you bother? That let them change the entire world. Court will not change. Pass over. Henry, pass over ಮಾಡದ? None appears for the other counsel for the accused. The accused Chimmagoda present before the court. 6 1 week time. Next time now time ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Comply ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ argument. Charge frame ಮಾಡಿ. Next week at this. What is the order, sir? You know? Ah. 27. Yes, in the circumstances.
Including the development of the but it seems is starting in the municipal AAC base it also the
Yes.
kindly refer to the affidavit filed before this honorable court on 10/7/2022. The date document was 3/8/16.
We will not go by your statement. Show from your affidavit. We have complied the order of Leonard single judge. He has given AAC space scales on for the others. That's all. Why you go by? See, you should treat university to treat the petitioner as a member of teaching staff. Settle all the service benefits, including terminal benefits, fixing his salary in the admissible AACP pay scale. Ashto Thorsi, appropriately. Yes.
Subsequent to the order of the single judge, the university has calculated the extending the AACP pay scale to the competent under the competent by directing the finance department to the all. And the said order was also communicated to the complainant. As subsequent pursuant to the order passed by the single judge and pursuant to the order passed the university of finance department, the readings, the AC basically, to the complaint, like arrival at the customer, the difference amount of 50 lakhs, 12,200. As of the complaint is a self-driving officer, and during the course of this for private both good of statement and submitted finance department and there the said good of statement submitted to the university of verification for the salary to the company. The second is also to all by the the company was entered to the good of salary of as of the terms of the said company submitted to good of statement on the arrears of salary of ANC. Basically, the request is to release the differential amount. I submitted the said good of statement was duly signed and submitted to the finance department on 16 and 2020. I submitted the university after verifying.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
Yes.
Subsequently, after he receiving the said amount, he was paid at the 6th pay scale, and he requested to extend the 7th pay scale. Subsequently, one more order has been also been passed, as per paragraph 17, and that amount is also being paid. Now, my lord, the complainant says that he has not been considered from the year 1995. He was taken, prepared by the complainant himself, that has been duly signed by him, and that differential amount has been paid.
Wait that.
Kindly refer to that page 15 is the document. This is duly signed by the complainant.
When did he appoint it?
That was 1995. He has been treated as the teaching staff. From the year 1995, he has been extended.
Yes, sir. No, what is the problem for you now? Read the order. What the account him has paid from 1995 till today. Yes. Sir, first read the affidavit, the order, and show why it's violation. Then we will go your affidavit.
What is the violation of worship? Now, first,
Bandari, we are requesting learned counsel for the complaint. See the order, account them the complaint. What is the violation in account? Please read the order. Single judge order. When court asks specific question, first you should read. Yes. Slowly read. Yes. All right, no problem. In fact, we will attach, no problem. ಹೌದಾ ಹೌದಪ್ಪ.
Document number 9, affidavit dated 7/1/2022.
All right, page 9.
Yes. This was what is stated. This is the ACT case here, what is in the university. This is the ACT case.
To you.
Yes.
Yes.
Because tracing has fallen in the 96 96 or this is the pay scale. Now my submission, Your Worship, that amount has been paid, this is in accordance with this notification there. Tell Your Worship, what is the amount paid by me, Your Worship, to me, Your Worship, Your Worship, debit. My account paid both. Statement showing
Where is that?
that my applications dated 13/1/2000 and
From my elder.
31/7/22.
31/2024.
Document number 10, Your Worship, according to that. This order is passed in 2024/6/2015. Now Your Worship, document number 10, Your Worship, according to that.
Yes.
Document 10, Your Worship, according to that 9/4/2016. Pay scale was fixed under the CPC. Subsequent period, document number 9 and basic pay scale ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2016 ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು CPC pay scale ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. This has been challenged by the British court.
All right.
Now, Your Worship, previously also, Your Worship, one document which was filed, there it is there admitted, Your Worship, it is the CPC pay scale was given. Your Worship, next page. Document number 16, page number 62. And of course, we have gone through the order dated 9/4/2012. That the calculation has been indicated. It is clear that it was standing. The director and his court to take fixed rate in pay scale of 2,200 from 96 against development and CPC scale is fixed 6,500. Subsequently, it has been enhanced to 2016. So it is CPC pay scale was paid.
Yes.
Now, Your Worship, if that their payment to be is CPC pay scale. Now, Your Worship, kindly refer to page 54 of my document. As per their own document number 9 and 8, what is the pay scale they have to be drawn, Your Worship?
Yes.
In the 96 name ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ 6,700 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Document number 9 ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 8,000.
Document number 54, Your Worship. Page number 54.
Document number 9. 8,000 ಇದೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ page number 54 my application. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ 5 ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 196 6,700 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
Yes, Mr. We will not report any document.
It has been fixed. This is of the year 2016. My calculation that statement will be signed by the complainant is.
We are not concerned whether signed or not. Whether 8 pay scale 2016.
Page 16 and document number 3, my lord.
And you will claim the charge. You can give the.
1/1/1996, 8,000.
Mr. Ramesh, don't go by all technicality. If he is entitled, that's all.
This is the statement of the year 2016. But my year, where 2020 has been calculated. But in that specifically says that 8,000 is fixed from 1/1/1996.
Where is that? Where is that?
I have produced the document number page 15 in my complaint supplement, which has been signed by him. It is ACT based on my lord. So he cannot take up the year 2016 and so this is subsequently.
All right, we will claim the charge, then we'll see.
Kindly page 15, my lord.
Mr. Council, the order for Leonard Singhal Judge is 2019. Leonard Singhal Judge does not say anything, either 15 or 16. When the order passed 2019, assume that what was the 8 pay scale, actually entitled.
Fixed, it is fixed. Kindly refer to the statement, my lord. That is fixed, my lord. It is not disputing this fact, my lord. Page 15 is.
No, what is this page 54?
54 is of the CPC pay scale of the year 2016. ಅದು date ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ page 54 on ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 9/4/2016.
Yes.
She doesn't refer to this statement of the year 2020 after the order passed in the single judge. That's page 15. She receives 80 lakhs 52,917 from the year 1995. Subsequently,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರು. At least let you understand your case.
The lawsuit doesn't make 34 your lawsuit.
Page number 15. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ರು ಫೇಸ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
The lawsuit just refer to 34 your lawsuit. 36 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅವರೇ ಅವರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
16 from 20. Mr. Bandari, come to page 15. Their affidavit dated 7/1/2022. 17th December 2019 is the order. This is the revised pay scale. 16/10/2020, page 15. Document number 2. You have signed this.
Yes, I have signed this.
Then
I will also what the amount they have paid was paid before that. 15 lakhs.
ಒಟ್ಟು ಮುರುಗಡೆ 7704,427. 74,01,1773 total amount. You have calculated interest also. Delayed 7 months delay. You will impose cost for the delay. Interest delay. I'll calculate money. Mr. Ramesh, if the benefits are not set within prescribed time, 3 months, same shall carry interest 7.5% per annum. They become payable with retrospective effect. Retrospective effect.
Since he is the centralized officer, he has to submit the details. But he submitted on 16/10/2020. But on 17/10/2020, I have prepared the chart.
You don't bother him. You should have done your job, irrespective of paying everything. Within 3 months, you should have done. You have not done within 3 months. After 3 months, the amount payable to him carries 7.5% per annum. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು had become payable with retrospective effect 95 ಇಂದ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡಿ. Unless you challenge this order, we can't help it. Mistake or delay will impose 7 months delay and you pay the cost. Say the university act like this. No, sir.
ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ನೀವ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ so the learned judge only says pay the admissible AICT pay scale to the petitioner, treating him as a member of teaching staff, settle the benefits within 3 months. You have done 95, calculate 7.5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ interest?
Now, but differential amount, what is paid is 7 lakhs. 7,74,000 is only amount. Differential amount.
Sir, what are the pay scale from 1975? He joined 1975. 95. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 95 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
Differential amount by year, that is.
ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು? You should have paid immediately. You should have paid immediately. Now the learned judge says 3 months not paid. Not only judge says for the day, learned judge says retrospective. You should have challenged that. What to do? Yes, sir. What to do, sir? We'll claim the charge, that's all.
That's it for a moment. There is a delay in management. Only thing mind.
Sir, normally we impose delay for cost. In this case, not only delay, the learned judge says interest. What to do? We can't change, sir. You should have filed appeal. Retroactive effect. ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾವು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು?
Only defense before this order report is that Lord, since he is a self-employed officer, Lord, he ought to have his.
That is not there in the order. You should have said he is self-employed officer Swami and those memo haki. Problem is ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. You take an advantage. Self-employed officer take an advantage. You should have said he is self-employed officer. He should do everything. If on completion of his things, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Then 3 months should have said that.
16/10/2020.
What is the difference amount now payable? Interest 7.5%. You know, interest. Interest. Learned judge has not said differential amount. Learned judge just.
It has already been paid for page 15 of page 15 of 80 lakhs was drawn. 80 lakhs he has drawn. It was calculated at 95 lakhs. So the difference is 15 lakhs. After deduction, he is entitled for 7.4. He is only entitled for 7 lakhs.
Learned judge has not said differential amount interest. Learned judge says 3 months shall carry interest per annum from the date had become payable to retrospective. What to do? We pay interest on differential amount. 7.5%.
7 lakhs 74,000.
Yes, yes, pay. Sri Bandari, learned counsel for the complaint, pointed out that the interest or 7.5% from the date of sale have become payable, not paid. Thereby is entitled interest on the differential amount. At this stage, Sri so and so 6 times to get instructions pay the differential interest on differential amount. ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರೇ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You should have brought not another single judge. Yes. Yes. What is this? That respond to the eternal benefits of the petition complaint is entitled to within 4 weeks from the date of the so 4 weeks lapse during August 2021. Eleven.
Last Friday it was passed, and they say they are subject to the finding of the they are releasing that amount, that is the statement made in their affidavit. And the order single judge says that within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the order, otherwise it carries 10% interest. I was superannuated on 1/4/2020. By virtue of this 16/2020 order, they have not paid single payment. I am entitled to each other. I used to master, and my family is on bed states. See the attitude of the state government. I kindly appreciate they are sitting in the AC room. The government is to implement at least the absolutely as law of the
What is the interest, sir? 10%. Okay.
that is the order of the government, including the 10%.
Pay that.
Order is along the
Sorry.
implement the order of the High Court in absolutely.
Tell it there.
Like R1 page and the minor rate. Last page. Rate take the last. Page last paragraph in the.
Yes.
ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಿಂದ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿರ್ದೇಶನವಿರುವ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 2422 ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರುವ ಪುನರ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲನಾರ್ಜಿ ಅಂತಿಮ ತೀರ್ಪು ಹೊರತು ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು
You already filed the review?
You are not filed it. I read it even also not anticipating that.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಯದ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರುವ ಪುನರ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರುವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವ ಅಂತ. ಹಾ, ನಮಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೆ. Where the RP? Then how can you make such order? ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಯಾರವರು? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರುವ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಸರ್. We will not wait anybody. 10%. Where is the amount, sir? ಬಿಡುಗೊಳಿಸೋ ಆದೇಶ ಇದೆ. ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ? Then read the order now. ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್? That's all your administrative correspondence that you are not bothered. Even till today you have not paid the amount. You have not completed the order. He will not only carry 10% interest, he will carry the cost of the contempt. You are not paid, sir. It's most unfortunate. ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, sir, this is posted today to comply the order failing which may not be posted for claim charges. You argue, you claim the charge. No, sir. These people don't bother court orders. Yes, Salpa is the when court is asking something. ನಮಗೇನು ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಹಾಬಾಲಕರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೇನು ಆಸೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. We want an order to be implemented unless the challenge before the appellate authority. Now, as on today, not implemented. In spite of the order of this court dated 2/2/2022, you are not complied the order. Therefore, the pit case to claim charge. That's all. No, and the judge is incorrigible people. Incorrigible officers will put in your writing, in your order. No, sir. To claim the charge, who is the concerned accused? Let him come. Mr. Kiran Kumar, we appreciate all your actions after the order. You should be within the order, within the time. You have said everything, but not. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಊಟ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್. ಊಟ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ. ಬರೀ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್. Should pay the amount, then complaints. Will impose cost, don't worry. You can't concede, sir. You will pass out, don't worry. Have to pay the cost and the interest is carry on. Is entirely interest. Oh, terminal benefits. You are deprived, sir. Tomorrow these people also will retire. Namak gottilla. You should have challenged the order. You should have challenged the order. You are not filed appeal. Do you think this five Pancha Pandavas will never retire? They are under impression they will never retire. They are all along with the government. Chiranjeevis, they will not retire. Terminal benefits, sir. You are not giving charity, sir. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ after the dead body went to the cremation, you can't get back. Tomorrow. All right, we'll start the charge. Sorry. No, sir. Sorry. In spite of the order passed by this court, you are shown still audacity. We'll claim the charge, sir. Let them come one by one. Most unfortunate, sir. Who is Dr. Shalu Kumar? Shekhar. Who is Dr. Shalu Kumar? Yes, sir. Please come, sir. Shalu Kumar, sir, will claim the charge. No, sir. It's unfortunate, Mr. Kiran. You are playing with the person who retired for terminal benefits, and we have passed the specific order on 2/2/2022. See the audacity. Sir, if admitted reasons, you should have gone to learn a single judge extension. And your government order is against your circular, sir. Now you will say you are violating your circular also. See, your government order 11th February 2022 is against one circular 31/1/2021, where you admitted the chief secretary yesterday reflected all the papers, said after filing contempt, no question of filing writ appeal, no question of filing review. But we are very Srinivas Murthy very cleverly drafted Kannada as if court don't know Kannada, other side not know Kannada. Dakalisirva. Now that is also misleading. That is second contempt. Dakalisirva adirbeku. Dakalisirva andre already filed. We don't know, sir. RP number kodi. Now RP number not given. Now according to you, to be filed. To be filed is not permissible in your own circular. 31/1/2022. Will frame charge, sir. Pama. No, sir. We are not happy with these people. How they play with the court in spite of the order. Pass out. You want to get your Advocate General. You will not change your mind. If Advocate General come, we will impose heavy cost. We know your tactics. Yaar karkamandru aste. Dhyan karkam change aagti bandiyo. When Kiran not able to convince, do you mean? Will convince by your Danchinappa, Advocate General? That is a wrong notion. Why you insult yourself, sir? You are doing very well. Why you insult yourself? If anybody comes in the face of Kiran, we will not allow. You can't play with that. This is a part of matter. We will not allow anybody, including Advocate General. Do you think your people, they do whatever they want? Where are we, sir? We are in Pakistan or China. We are in Karnataka. And the person has come with all begging bowl, contempt petition for terminal benefits. And you people never retire. You have no human approach at all. And file the false affidavit before this court. We'll insert against action against Srinivas Murthy. He can't mislead the court like this. That to division bench. See the casualness. 230. Oh, Mr. Kiran. It's unfortunate. We never expect the officers act like this. Court or Ridru Saha. See the audacity. We will show what is the majesty of the court. Will summon Chief Secretary, suspend all these people. Will summon a Chief Secretary, suspend all these people. This affidavit, this annexure produced now is violation of your own direction issued by Chief Secretary. You are not only violating the court order, not only depriving the terminal benefit with the complaint, you are violating your own Chief Secretary order. See the audacity. At least all these people know the circular. Ask them. Keli or gyara circular gotide anta. Keli sir, obru gotirala. Oh, circular gottidu ita issue madidiri. Most unfortunate. Yes, 230. Kiran, now again we are telling you, we are not against any officers. Now we want to order implemented. Our karma we will not against any officers. We want to implement the court order. Majesty of the court should prevail. It happens to these people. Terminal benefits ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆತ್ಮ ವಿಮರ್ಶೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೇಳಿ. It happens these people tomorrow they will retire. It happens to them. What, sir? You are playing with the lives of citizens. Yes, Karyappa. Yes. Sorry, sir. ಹೌದು.
11 first.
Yes, sir. Yes, what is this? Where that? ಓದಿ. Whether redelivered, sir? Redelivered? Sir, you are not concerned, sir. All right. You are not concerned.
They have communicated not but they have communicated all passwords. But by that time, what was noticed here, but it was not the independent task force.
Mr. Council, 25th October 2021, he resigned. Resignation accepted the same day. 30 days will be there, time. Till resignation accepted, he should continue as authorized officer. He should do all his work. Do you mean to say, after 26th and 2021, he has not done anything in the office?
It was the notice period, he has communicated to the higher official immediately.
That is not a ground.
Immediately he has
All.
communicated to the
We'll
higher
consider. We'll consider. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರಪ್ಪ.
He has immediately communicated to his higher officials regarding the set of his order.
Mr. Council, all your internal correspondence, nothing to do for us. Read the order, complaint, that's all. You can't give an expression before the contempt court, sir.
Right, but he has relieved from his job. He has relieved from his job.
26,
2000.
after 1 month.
Yes, after 1 month, he has relieved from his job.
Yes.
But hereafter, he has more capacity.
All right.
In this meanwhile, this current proceedings have been initiated. And the first notice.
Even now, order is not complied.
I'm not the authorized person.
Who is the authorized person then?
The bank manager. Because the bank manager will not as on the date. Statement of.
Who is the authorized officer as on the date of the order?
On the day around, I was the.
You should comply your order. You can't shirk responsibility. Then you stop your all pension benefits. You will stop now. You will direct the bank. As violated the court order, he is not entitled to anything. Sir, we are not concerned, sir. Please understand the case. On 25/20/2021, this court passed the order, read allocation. He resigned on 26/10/2021, but it was accepted only on 26/11/2021. By that time, he should have done a job. He can't escape, sir.
We can't take the different.
All right. Let him play the music. We'll play the chart. Bunny. Let him be there. He will not recall unless he complies the order. You want to recall the warrant, but you don't comply the order. Wonderful. All right, sir. Namu Sambandha laws on that date. You are the officer. You violated. For what? For what? Unless the order is not complied. What is the use of unconditional apology? Having committed a murder. 302, you say unconditional apology. Will the victim come back? What, sir? Yes, Mr. Dodadakar, tell the charge. In all contempt matters, all the accused persons have no intention to disobey, but they will disobey. See previous matter. Yeah, purposely they have done, sir. Have you implemented the present authorized officer? ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೂ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ He can't escape. He will be punished. He can't escape. Merely because he is not there. He can't shirk responsibility. As on the date of the court order, he was the officer in charge. He should comply the order. He should have done his job, that's all. Let him file affidavit. Wait that. Wait that. Ah. Yes, yes. ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ Let him file affidavit. We'll see. We include the authorized person who is the authorized person as on today. File affidavit. For what? We will not recall. Let him there. So let him there. Judicial custody. Bama. It's an unfortunate case. File ಮಾಡಿ.
It's very nice.
If a fair man should have come, he has given a job to my police, our police officers.
Communication happens.
Okay?
It was sold on the bank. Bank not communicated to this representative for this one. However, they said bank legal panel only for that reason. Because really the sold personally, but definitely you would have opted this one.
You should file. You are there on that day. 9/12, you are there.
No, I was not. It was a bank. Nobody has filed.
Where is the bank advocate? Who appeared on 9/12? Where is Nanjum Swami? Dhamma. The accused number 1 served unrepresented and the matter was posted on 17/12/2021. This court issued bail warrant to judicial police for a sum of rupees 20,000. When the matter posted on 2/2/2022, this court issued non-bail warrant to the accused number 1 to Superintendent of Police ensure the execution warrant returnable by 14/2/2022. Today, the Arab Police Mori. Yeah? ASI Shivana, our Kitturu Police Station, Kitturu Police Station produced the accused number 1 before this court. The effort made by Shivana to test and produce the accused before this court is appreciated. Yes, on the court. Shivana Sub Inspector. Yes, I appreciated. Sri so and so learned counsel. Tota, what's your name? Chetan. Learned counsel who filed power or not had filed? Who filed power in the open court submits that the interim order granted by this court, interim order power learned singles of this court is on 25/10/2021. The accused number 1 resigned on 26/10/2021 and same was accepted on 26/11/2021. Thereby, he was not in a position to comply the order. First up, the same is opposed by the learned counsel for the complaint and submits this court by the order dated 9/12/2021. The very content was rejected and time was granted to comply. 1 week time was granted to comply the order or to file objections at the instance of the counsel for the bank. Today, the concerned counsel for the bank is blissfully object. First up, in view of the above, we direct the accused number 1 to file his affidavit explaining why he has not complied. Though he was the authorized officer of the bank as on 25/10/2021. Though Sri Chetan submits accused number resigned on 26/10/2021, he is accepted only on 26/11/2021. What is the efforts made by him to implement the order for the single judge is not forthcoming. Thereby, an opportunity is given to the accused number 1 to file his affidavit before framing charge. First up, the complaint is permitted to implicate the present authorized officer of the bank authorized officer of State Bank of India, Station Road Bank, Puttur, Tumkur district. In forthwith, Madi, ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ? You can implement latest authorized officer within a week. Call the matter next week. At this stage, the Chetan Learned Council filed the application. Yes, Kodama, application Kodama. He won't file affidavit. What type of applications are you filed? ಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. Recall the order dated 2/2/2022. Accepting the cost shown in the application, the order dated so and so is recalled. The accused number 1 shall remain present on next date appearing before the court, and Chetan Learned Council shall ensure the presence of the accused before the court. Call next week date Kodama. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Accused is also directed to ensure the presence of the present authorized officer of the State Bank of India on next date appearing. Intimate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Yes. Case called twice. None appears for the complaint. So the present contempt proceedings is initiated by the accused, by the complaint against the accused under the provisions of section 11(12) of the Contempt Act. Against the accused for sentence for willful disobedience of the order dated 19/9/2018 made in WP 23/7/89/2012, wherein the learned single judge, while allowing the petition, quashed the order annexure N dated 6/11/2011 and directed the respondents to forthwith return the earnest money deposit amount of rupees 11,55,000 to the petitioner. Since the order was not complied, hence the present appeal came to file. Stop. Sri Kiran Kumar, Learned Government Advocate, on taking notice to accused submits that against the order passed by Learned Single Judge, the state filed its appeal 59/2021, and the coordinate bench of this court granted interim order of stay on what date? 19/7/2021. Till next date appearing ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. Until power sell ಆಗಿದೆ. Until power sell ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. Then we don't know. This ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗೀತು. ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬದುಕಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತು ಅದು. Subsequently, the writ appeal came to be dismissed for default on what date? 19/7/2021. All right. Thereafter, the same was restored on 28/9/2021. Now the matter is pending for adjudication. At this stage, we sought the sixth time to get the information whether interim order is continued or in the writ appeal or not next week. Next date of hearing ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next date of hearing ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸರಿಯಪ್ಪ. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, Sheikh. Ramadan.
Okay.
Finally, 1 week time is granted to complete office objection. None appears by the accused. None appears by the accused. Appellant in interest of justice. Finally, 1 week time is granted. Yes, Singapore.
I appear for the appellant in this case, my lord. My
Yes.
lord, on 2 days press time, my lord.
1 week time
Aadhaar
is
card
granted.
ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, Pratik.
Macha.
Yes. All right. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. What is the offense? 13 not to 490. 498. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ್ರಿ. ಹಾ. Yes, yes. After the one. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಅದೇ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಎಸ್. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Medical exercise not related to essential these fit and eye care. Yes. ಯಾವ ಪೇಜ್ ರೀ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಪೇಜ್ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಎರಡು ಮೆಮೊ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. ಹಾ. ಇದೇನ್ರಿ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಆದರೆ ಅಂತ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡವಾ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್? Where the report is entitled ಅವನ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ?
Where is the recommendation for surgery? Where is the recommendation for surgery?
Where is the opinion of the doctor? Central jail. That's all. What is their opinion? Medical doctor, central jail. They are not go by private doctor. Where is the opinion of central prison, Mysuru? Opinion of doctor. She is the custodian. ಎಲ್ರಿ where is the opinion of the doctor? ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. No sir. Escape. You get the report. You get the report whether required for outside treatment or not. Mr. Counsel, ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಆದರೆ 2 ವಾರ 3 ವಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Where is required the operation? This man, where is the report from the jail superintendent? Wasting public time ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಓದ್ರಲ್ಲ ರೀ.
Memo dated.
ಯಾವ ಮೆಮೊ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪ? ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ರೇ. ಮೆಮೊ ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? 2020 ಯಾವ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2020 ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಐಯಾಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಆರ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮುಗಿಸೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಾವು. Show from any report from the Mysore superintendent, Mysore prison is ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಓದಪ್ಪದೇನೋ. ಹಾ
inability to cross
ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮನಿ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಇದು ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ have visited the jail at least in Bengaluru. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ 230 ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ತಿರ್ಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳು ಎಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ವೈ ಸರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ Yes, how many years in jail? Just ask one question. How many years is in jail? 2 ವರ್ಷ. You want file objection to IA? All right, file objection. 2019. All right, 2 weeks. All right, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. Yes.
I appear for the appellant. I'm seeking permission to retire from the matter, my lord.
Who is appealing now?
I have issued NOC. They have not yet responded. One of the ground reasons for me to retire is that there is no response whatsoever from the appellant or his family members.
Whether you have served a register post?
Yes, my lord. I have filed a memo along with the post on 10th of February, my lord. It is on the board.
Where is the acknowledgement?
I have filed the acknowledgement as well.
Where is the acknowledgement, mister?
At page 5, my lord, after the postal receipt, I filed the postal tracking details.
See, 17/1/2022.
Yes, sir.
Special criminal file by rejecting the application for suspension of grant of bail. The Honorable Supreme Court not to interfere, dismiss special petition. Request this court dismiss criminal appeal experience possible. But learner complaint is not ready with the case. Yen ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You got the direction from the Supreme Court. Case ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Council is not ready. What to do?
My lords, I'm not aware of any Supreme Court order having been passed in the matter. Lord, we have not approached the Supreme Court in this matter, my lord.
ಈ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಸರ್ 237/2021.
Lord, we have not approached the Supreme Court, my lord. I have on good authority that
Arising
we
out of the impugned 5/4/2021 on IA 1. ಇದು 20 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮವ್ರುಗಳು 20 ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ ಇದು 21 237/20 ಇದು 237/21 ಬೇರೆ How about the ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನೀವು 21 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಂಪು ಸೀರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾಟಾರ ಇದೆ. Mr. Kashap Naik, where is the acknowledgement?
But page number 5 of my memo, Manoj.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
After the postal receipt, I have filed the tracking details. The postal website in Toronto tracking details I have filed.
ಏನಿದೆ?
Item delivered and this one. Table ಅಲ್ಲಿ my honor will see the first line. 3/2/2022 item delivered. We have also informed him on call through phone.
Counsel for the appellant filed memo for retirement along with legal notice and postal acknowledgement showing the item delivered to the accused. Aya Partha Sarthi security personnel antaಗಿದೆ.
Because the post is issued to the superintendent of through the superintendent of prisons. It would have been received at the central prison by the security officer.
To Partha security personnel to the central jail. Issue court notice to the appellant through jail superintendent whether the appellant intend to engage any other counsel. If he has no means, you can request High Court Legal Service Committee to engage a lawyer separately. Sampayandi Ramaya. Ippatondari, like counsel for the Nimasru. H.S. Surya submits Sampayandi Ramaya is not in station as some of the family member is unwell. Yes. Yes, Subramanya, Vishwanath Pujari, come on. Come on. Pujari, Nagaraj Reddy. Yes, come on. You pass off. You're another. 8 ವರ್ಷ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Yes, pudi. Yes, Mr. Nagaraj Reddy. Hey, synopsis. Synopsis ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. ಪೇಪರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, Nagaraj Reddy. Yes. ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, PW1 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ಚೀಫ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಸರ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ 1, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮದರ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ. ಏನಿದೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ? ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ಚೀಫ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಪ್ಪ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾರಮೌತ್. ಓ accused and deceased. Shalka. This the PW1 is the owner of the lodge and complaint. Eyewitness. PW, ಇವನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ಅವನು ಐವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಓನರು, ನಾಟ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಆ ರೂಮ್ ನೀವೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ? PW1 given to whom? Where the receipt, exhibit. ಅದು ಯಾರ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್? ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಬರ್ದಿರ, ಇಬ್ರಸು ಬರ್ದಿದಾರ? ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. Why you have killed your lover, sir? The lover is a married lady, married woman. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? Out of this man or out of PW2? Why you have killed, sir? ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಅಲ್ದೆ ರಾಜ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಸೋದು ಬೇರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ. ಓ ಇವರು PW2 ಹೆಂಡತಿ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ರೈಟು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸರ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಆತರ ಇಲ್ಲ. Cutting the neck of the deceased, immediate complaint called PW10 police constable for discharging duty near circle rush to spot, was also witness to show. ಅವರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. PW10 also a witness. hot hold. Yes, sir. What is your case now? Here contradiction no. PW1, PW3, PW10. They are the eyewitnesses. Complaint odi. Exhibit. ಏನಿದೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜು ಶಾಂತ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರು 3 ಜನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ 313 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿನೈಲ್. What is your defense in cross examination? Contradictions idlepa. ಎಷ್ಟೇಕದ ಅಲಿಬಿ ಕೊಲೆ ಬೇಕದ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿನೈಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಇದು PW1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಓದಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮುಕ್ಕೋದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೆಡವಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ Chaco exhibit number 1. Yes. All right. ಇವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ರೂಮ್ ಬಂದವನೇ ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡಿದಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೆತ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ರೆಡ್ಡಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ legal point to acquit this man innocent? Don't bother contradictions, sir. Contradictions ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if the case is based on entirely circumstantial evidence, ಆವಾಗ contradiction omissions ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ 3 ಜನ, ನಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್. ನೀವು ರೂಮ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ತಪ್ಪು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹೆಂಡ್ತಿನ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್. ಸಾಯಿಸಿದ ಎರಡನೇ ತಪ್ಪು. ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಯಾರೋ ದ್ವೇಷಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನು ಓನರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವನೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟು? ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ ನಿಜ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ 3 ಜನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಟರಿ? ಯಾರ್ದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಟರಿ? ಈ PW1, PW3, PW10 ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? All right, complaint ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಷನ್. All right. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗಗಳು. Case is only contradictory. All right, one first ground, motive is not established. Motive is not. A motive is not established. MO1. Caesar is doubtful. ಆಮೇಲೆ the evidence of PW inconsistency. PW1, PW3. All right, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು. ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್. ನಾಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು PW? ಮದರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು PW? ಆಯಮ್ಮನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು? ಸತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಳ? ಈ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಳ? ಪಾಪ ಆಯಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು? ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್. ಗಂಡ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪಿದ ಜೊತೆ ಅವನ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸು. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕೇಸು. ಏನು ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್? ಹೋಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ P10 ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರೂಮ್. ಡೆತ್ ಟುಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರೂಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸತ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಅವಳೇ ಬಿತ್ತು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಸತ್ತೋದು ದೀಪ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಏನ್ರಿ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ ಅವರು. PW 1, 3 and 10. All right. PW 10, PW 3, PW 1, 3 are eyewitnesses. ಅದಾಯ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸೀಸರ್, ಡೌಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್. ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ದ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It is in mind of the accused. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ದು ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮಾ ಫೇಸಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಬ್ರು ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸತ್ತಿರೋದು, ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸತ್ತದ್ದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. 106.
When the accused was apprehended. Apprehended by.
PW1, PW10 apprehended in what date? ಅವತ್ತೇ.
So he came to the spot and apprehended him.
So days before Ivana. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. PW
That is total amount of before the war. The Assam paper actually received using bank. Because of which not so the last actually received to get the house.
ಗಂಡನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ PW2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸಫರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೋವಿದೆ. ಅಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲ, 15. She also right to leave honorably Article 21 merely because he believed you. ಗಂಡನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಬಂದಾಳೆ. It's all faith, believing you. ಅದೇ ಕರಾಮಾರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಏನದು ಲೈಲಾ ಮಜೂನ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಗಂಡನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಗುನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಫೇತ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇದ್ಲು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಕ್ ಹೋದೆ, ನೀನೇನು ಅನಿಷ್ಟ, ನೀನೇನು ಗಂಡನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೈದ್ಲು, ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್. ಕಪಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೋಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದವ್ರು ಸುತ್ತಾಬಿಟ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಕೊಯ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅವರು. ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆಮ್ಮ. ಉರಿತದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆ seen the photo? ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕಿ ಅವ್ನ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ.
EM report. Exhibit. CW11.
CW11. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷ ಇತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸದಾ ಬಾಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಕಾಗದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಓನರ್ನ. ಅದು ರೂಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 102 ಬಂದು 302 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. 102 302 ಮಾಡಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ದಿ ರೂಮ್ become 102 become 302. Nine entities as per PM report. 9. Is book 215. PM report. CW11 evidence. 9 external. That due to hyper volume that contains multiple families. Karamara lover. Karamara. Come on. What do you mean by that? Correct, sir. ಬೇರೆ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಏನು? What is your defense?
Defense ಏನು? You are accusing the lady. Merely she lost her life. ಅವಳ ಕರ್ಮ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Has taken a defense. ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅವಳು ನಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವನು ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಅವಳು ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ವುಮನ್, ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಒಂದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಲೈಲಾ ಮಜುದ್ದೀನ್, ನನಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡುದು, ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಹೊಡ್ದಾಕ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಥವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಚಾಗಿವ್ರ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರು, ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ. ಮಾಮ ದಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ is a paramour of the deceased Shanta, filed the present criminal appeal against the impugned judgment of conviction order of sentence dated 14th August 2017, made in SC 1001 of 2013 on the file of the 4th Additional District and Sessions Judge Dollapura, convicting the accused for imprisonment of life for the offence special clause subsection 302 IPC with fine of rupees 20,000 with a default class. To stop. It is the case of the prosecution that PW1 AC Jaishankar was the owner of Sanchike Lodge, situated in the heart of Dodbalapura, lodged a complaint on 24/11/2012 at about 12:30 a.m. 24/12/2012 at about 11:30 a.m. that the accused Puttaraju and deceased woman Srimati Shanta came to their lodge, obtained room number 102 for taking rest due to non-availability of the doctor. Now the doctor. It is further stated at the time of that time, PW3 manager gone outside repairing his mobile phone. At about 1 p.m., 1 o'clock, manager returned to the lodge. The owner disclosed him about giving room 102 to the accused and the Srimati Shanta. Thereafter, the owner went inside the room 102 for the purpose of taking rest. 101. After taking rest in 101, for the purpose of taking rest in 101. Thereafter, at about 2:30, inside room of 101, 102, he heard crying sound. He knocked the door, but the door was not open. He immediately called the manager PW3, and manager came to the spot. He immediately came to know the shed door was locked inside. Accordingly, the complainant asked his manager to bring the stool. With the help of stool, he looked inside room number 102 through ventilator. Then he saw the deceased accused being inmate of the room, stabbing and cutting the neck of Srimati Shanta, who had accompanied the accused on the day in that room. Immediately, owner called the police officer, Siddhalinga PW10, Siddhalinga PW2, who was discharging duty near by circle. After receiving the message, the Siddhalinga PW10 rushed to the spot. He also gauged inside the room 102 through ventilator. Then he came to know that the accused was stabbing near the door. The body of the lady was found naked and lying on the floor, surrounded with full of blood. Afterwards, the police officer told the accused to open the door. Then he opened the door. The PW10 police constable manager saw the murder of the lady Shanta by the accused at about 2:30 p.m. Immediately accused was taken to the police station by PW 10 and PW1 lodged the complaint. Accordingly, the law was set into motion. The complaint registered on the same day on 24/12/2012, 15:25 hours on the basis of PW1 complaint in crime number 173/2012 for the offence such as cause subsection 302 IPC. After investigation, the judicial police filed charge sheet against the accused for the offence of cause subsection 15:2 section 302 of IPC. First, after committal, the matter to the learned session judge, the learned session judge secured the presence of the accused and framed the charge and read out to the accused in the language known to him, who pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. Next para. In order to prove the case of the prosecution examined in all PW1 to PW19 witnesses and marked the documents exhibit P1 to P26 and material objects MO1 to MO15. After completion of the evidence of the prosecution witnesses, the statement of the accused as contemplated under the provisions of section 313 was recorded, who denied all incriminating materials, circumstances against him by the prosecution witness, by the evidence by the witnesses under the prosecution. He did not adduce any evidence. Next part. Based on the aforesaid pleadings, the learned session judge framed 2 points for consideration. Considering both oral document evidence and record, the learned session judge answered both the points affirmative, holding that the prosecution proved beyond reasonable doubt the homicide death of the deceased Shanta inside room 102 of Sanchike Lodge, which is Doblapur town, on 24/12/2012 at about 2:30 p.m. Further recorded a finding that the prosecution proved beyond reasonable doubt that the accused was having illicit relationship with the Srimati Shanta, wife of PW2 Vijay Kumar, when Shanta, this is further refused to live with him at the instance of one Ratnavelu, a developed enmity. Thereby, he brought her to Sanchika Lodge on 24/12/2012, committed the murder about 2:30 p.m. Thereby, a committed offence for section 302 IPC. Accordingly, the learned session judge, by the input judgment of conviction or of sentence, convicted the accused for imprisonment of life under the provisions of section 302 IPC with fine of rupees 20,000 with default class. Hence, the present appeal is filed. Next para. Adhyana 30.